Sushant's former lawyer speaks to a news channel and shares that Sushant, Rhea and Souvik were equal partners in the companies set up by the late actor. These companies that are now under the Enforcement Directorate scanner were created by the late actor who had plans of setting up businesses and needed co-founders, which is why Rhea and Souvik were included.
Many startling revelations about Sushant Singh Rajput and matters related to his life keep emerging every day. After allegations made by those close to him, like his gym trainer, his family, and outsiders like the ambulance driver and attendant, whose statements allege foul play, Sushant's lawyer's statements provide a new perspective into the case.
प्रियंका खिमानी, जिन्होंने अर्ली 2019 से सुशांत के साथ काम किया है and was introduced to the late actor by his sister Priyanka, has shared details about his life and business dealings with the news channel. प्रियंका, जिन्होंने मुंबई पुलिस को भी बयान दिया था, has said in her interview, "I met Sushant sometime early last year. My role as his lawyer was to look at his legal and business affairs. He was one of those clients who had such varied interests. He was ambitious and he had a lot of interesting things on his wish list." According to reports, Sushant had set up two firms, Front India for World Foundation and Vivid Rage Reality Private Limited. Rhea and her brother Souvik are directors at Vivid Rage, which was set up in September 2019, but Front India was incorporated in January this year. These companies have now come under the scanner after Sushant's father alleged that close to 15 crore rupees was siphoned from his son's account and has accused Rhea of misusing his son's funds. When Sushant's lawyer was asked about Rhea's role in these companies, she commented, "Any company requires the minimum role of individuals as director and promoters for being set up. At that point of time, given that the both of them were together, it was a question of setting something up. I don't think for Sushant the goal was to create a business partnership. For Sushant, it was that this is the business that I want to do. It didn't matter who he did it with. And since there were certain people in his life, it was simpler to set it up in this fashion." Priyanka has also clarified that Sushant, Rhea and Souvik equal shareholders थे और तीनों ने कंपनी में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था, which is the routine manner in which a company would be set up. She further added, "We took decisions that were sound and thought through, but we didn't take decisions that would impact anybody in the larger scheme. Rhea and her brother had invested to get the business kick-started." The late actor's lawyer has, however, clarified that she was only his legal advisor and never interfered in matters of finances. While the ED has not questioned her yet, Khimani has shared that she was one of the first people to be questioned by the Mumbai police. While Rhea is at the center of the investigation currently and is battling multiple charges, perhaps Sushant's lawyer's comments may cast a different light on the proceedings and the narrative around this case, which has taken a serious turn with the CBI now being cleared by the central government to investigate the matter. While the electronic media continue to share interviews and sting operations and question all the previous facts reported in the case, we only hope that the truth finally emerges and gives his family the closure they need.